Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another PrizePicks video. And man, yesterday we were able to go ahead and cash in this two-man play that sent out on my VIP. We took Hendricks to go over 0.5 block shots. Dude got 3 block shots. And then we also took DeJounte Murray over 1.5 blocks plus steals. He got exactly that. He ended up getting 2 blocks plus steals. And look how close we were to go ahead to cashing another 3x play, or a 3-man 5x play. We took George over 19.5 points, Moritz Wagner over 7.5 points, and he literally got 7 points. He got 7 points, man. What a bad beat on that one. Then we took Jalen Suggs to go more than 5 3-points attempted, and he ended up getting 6. So man, we were this close to cashing in this 5-man 5x play payout play. I put 22 and 100, that close to $100, man. It's all good. We're gonna go ahead and move forward, right? This is the for YouTube play I gave out with Jokic and Trey Jones. Trey Jones went over his projections, but Nikola Jokic just stayed under his projection by 5 PRA, man. We're so close, man. 5 PRA, man. And the reason being, I mean, Jokic didn't get a double-double. If he would have gotten a double-double, I think this would have for sure cashed. He was just so close. But it's alright. We at least ended up in the green yesterday, man. And that's what matters. We ended up in the green. So let's go ahead. Let's keep on winning. Let's give y'all a 2-man NBA play that we have for y'all today. So we're gonna go on over and we're gonna take Draymond Green, man, going up against the Los Angeles Lakers today. Should be a fantastic game. Draymond Green, yes, he's listed as questionable. I get it. I know that, but he's listed as questionable because he didn't play last game. But Steve Kerr already came out and said that he's definitely going to play. He's going to have everybody in today's game. Steph Curry, Draymond Green, Andrew Wiggins, Klay Thompson. He said they're going to be full force today. So let's see, right? So Draymond Green over 18.5 points, rebounds, and assists, as well as, who was it? Nicholas Claxton. We're going to take Claxton over his 13.5 points and assists, man. Going up against Indiana, it should be a very fast-paced game, and it should be a fun one. Oh, my goodness. And look at that, man. He cashed this in 5 of the last 5 games. So let's look for him to go ahead and cash this one again. Woo! My voice just broke. It's the morning, and all I had was a little bit of water and a lot of coffee. Alright, now you're live. I had a little bit of coffee, but I'm still getting going. Anyways, Draymond Green over 18.5 PRA and Nicholas Claxton over 13.5 points plus assists. Make sure you go ahead and lock that in. I'm going to go ahead and put $20 to go ahead and win $100 on that one. Boom. Or sorry, not $100, $60. $20 to go ahead and win $60. And we're going to go to a player prop shop. This is where I get all the plays, man. They literally experts that are giving out all these plays every single day. You get your first week completely for free by adding a week subscription to your card and use code PropShop at checkout, man. Just use code PropShop at checkout. The link is in the description down below. That's all you have to do. They got the day, they got the month, they got the week, and they got the year pass. I'm personally on the year pass, and then you go here, we're gonna go over to the analysis on why they chose these certain plays, right? So the reason why they chose Draymond Green to go over 18.5 PRA is because, what is this? Like I said, Coach Kerr's optimistic remarks about having the whole team back, including Steph Curry, with the Warriors facing a crucial matchup against the Lakers, who currently sit just 1 game ahead of them in the standings. It's likely that both Curry and Green will suit up for the game. Despite coming off 2 relatively quiet performances against the Spurs, Green's season averages of 9.7 rebounds and 5.9 assists translate to a solid 21.9 PRA. While facing the Lakers and Anthony Davis presents a challenging matchup, Green has previously posted strong PRA numbers against them this season, including performances of 20 and 33 PRA. Moreover, Green's competitive spirit, especially in games against LeBron James, suggests that he will rise to the occasion for this important matchup, man. Let's go ahead and let's lock in Draymond Green over 18.5 PRA, and we're gonna go ahead and combine that with Nicholas Claxton. I know the prop shop has him at over 11.5 points. I personally like him points plus assists. That's why I went ahead and took that. And you can see here they also like Brandon Ingram over 19.5 points. So I just gave you all a freebie right there from the player prop shop. But this is why they like Claxton over 11.5 points. Despite the Pacers having a formidable interior defense, this is a solid play for Claxton. The primary concern is the Pacers' defensive ranking, which currently sits at 29th in the league in terms of points allowed. This vulnerability was evident in the recent game where they surrendered 132 points. Considering these defensive struggles, coupled with Claxton's impressive scoring performances, having surpassed this point threshold in 6 of 7 games this month, betting on him to exceed 11.5 points seems like a solid choice. So that's exactly what we're going to go ahead and do. So you see here, man, Nicholas Claxton hit this in 5 of the last 5 games, 7 or 6 of the last 7. So let's go ahead. Let's ride that hot streak with Claxton, and let's have a fun time on watching this Draymond Green going up against the Los Angeles Lakers. And let's look for him to get that 18.5 PRE, because obviously he already hit that over twice this season, and let's look for him to do it again. I already went ahead and locked this in for $20 to win it. Go ahead and win 60. If y'all don't have the Sleeper app, make sure you download the Sleeper app using my code DSP. The link is in the description down below, everyone. If you do not have Sleeper, please do me a favor. Download the Sleeper app using my link in the description down below. If you do that, I will give you 1 free month of my VIP, man. 1 free month of my VIP. This way, and all you have to do is put a minimum of $10, man. So you're literally going to get my VIP for $10. Oh, you're not even going to give me the $10. You could use that as a play yourself, and it's as simple as that. All right, everyone. Those are the plays for today. Make sure you go ahead and lock them in, and I'll see y'all on the next video when we're a little bit richer.